Hi, how are you everyone? I am Suwarna Banjara from USA, but born and brought up in Kenya, worked with United Nations and now retired. And I had this knee replacement to be done, it was a repeat job because I had done it 10 years ago and now a revision was required. And so I consulted Dr. Saurabh Goyal and Dr. Fenil Doshi, and their team did my surgery, which is very beautifully done. Excellent job. And I must say that I feel so good about position of my leg, and I would say EPIC Hospital has been a great place to get recovered. Even the theatre facilities, the room facilities, that is the special room I'm in, nursing staff, kitchen staff, I would say pretty much everyone has been absolutely super. They have done a good job. EPIC is a good hospital to get your treatment done. Thank you.